Welcome to Daily English Practice for You.
Hey, Jack. Do you have a big family?
Yeah, pretty big. I have two sisters and one younger brother. What about you?
Nice. I have one older sister. Her name is Lisa. She lives in Canada now.
Oh, wow. Is she working there?
Yes, she's a nurse. She loves helping people. She's also very funny, always making jokes and dancing around the kitchen.
Sounds like a fun person. My older sister, Kate, is a teacher. She teaches history at a high school. She's super smart and a little bossy.
Classic big sister. What about your younger brother?
Ben? He's 12. He's still in school and totally obsessed with video games. He talks to his online friends more than to us.
That sounds like my cousin Max. He talks about games all the time. Last week, he tried to explain something called speed running to my grandma.
No way! How did that go?
She thought he was talking about running fast. It was hilarious.
Do you see your cousins a lot?
Not really. Most of them live far away. But every summer, we visit my grandparents' house and have a big family barbecue.
That sounds awesome. We do something similar for Christmas. We all go to my aunt and uncle's house. It's super loud, super fun, and full of food.
Food is always the best part. What's your favorite holiday dish?
My uncle makes amazing roast chicken, and my aunt bakes this huge chocolate cake. It disappears in minutes.
Yum! At my house, we do big Sunday breakfasts. My dad makes pancakes, and my mom does scrambled eggs.
Nice. My dad is the breakfast guy, too. He loves cooking when he has time. He's actually a musician, so he has a weird schedule.
Oh, really? Does he play in a band?
He used to. Now he teaches guitar. He always hums songs around the house, sometimes during dinner.
Sounds like my grandpa. He sings every morning while reading the newspaper. It's like living in a musical.
Your house sounds fun. What about your mom?
She's a project manager, super organized, always making lists. She even has a list for her lists.
That's like my mom, too. She's the planner. My dad is the dreamer.
Perfect team. Do you still have grandparents?
Only my grandma. She's 82 and still goes for a walk every morning. She's amazing.
That's so cool. I hope I'm like that at 82.
Me too. Families are crazy, but they're full of love.
Exactly. That was a fun chat about our families. You heard lots of useful words and phrases during the conversation. Now, let's take a closer look and learn some of the most important family vocabulary together. Okay, the first word is siblings. What does that mean?
It simply means your brothers and sisters. If you have a brother or a sister, they're your siblings.
Right. For example, I have 3 siblings, 2 brothers and 1 sister.
It's a nice word because you don't have to say brothers and sisters all the time. You can just say siblings. Next up, cousin. This is the child of your aunt or uncle.
So, if your mom's brother has a son or daughter, that child is your cousin.
Yup. Like, my cousin Max loves video games. Do you have any cousins, Emma?
Oh, yes, a big bunch of them. And we love playing cards together at family parties. Let's talk about some very special family members, grandparents.
Yes. Grandparents are your grandma and grandpa. They are your parents' parents.
So sweet, right? For example, we visit our grandparents every summer. I used to bake cookies with my grandma.
That's so lovely. My grandpa tells the best stories. Now, these two go together, aunt and uncle.
Your aunt is your mom or dad's sister, and your uncle is your mom or dad's brother.
Here's an example. My aunt bakes chocolate cake at Christmas. Yum!
Mine makes the best lasagna. Shout out to all the cool aunts and uncles. Let's move on to the niece and nephew. These are really sweet words.
A niece is your brother's or sister's daughter. A nephew is your brother's or sister's son.
For example, my nephew is just a baby. Aw, I love babies.
Me too. I have a niece who always draws me pictures. She calls me Uncle Jack, and it melts my heart every time.
That's so cute. So remember, your siblings' kids equals your nieces and nephews.
Next word is in-laws. This one's really useful when talking about your husband or wife's family.
Exactly. If you're married, your husband's or wife's family becomes your in-laws.
For example, my brother's wife is my sister-in-law.
Let's break it down. Your wife's mom equals mother-in-law. Your husband's dad equals father-in-law. Their brother or sister equals brother-in-law or sister-in-law.
It's like adding in-law to show their family through marriage, not birth.
Yes, you don't grow up with them, but they're still family. And our last word for today is only child.
This one's easy to understand. An only child is someone who has no brothers or sisters.
Like this. I'm an only child. I have no brothers or sisters.
Some people love being the only child. More attention, more space,